Orchha, a temple town located in the heart of India. It is a small town now but has magnificent monuments, forts and temples that provide a glimpse into the glorious past of Orchha. There are a lot of temple towns in India and Orchha definitely is one of them, which deserves to be visited by everyone at least once in their lifetimes. And if you don't trust my words, just have a look at this 2-minute trailer and experience the beauty of Orchha and its architecture for yourselves. That was just the trailer of Orchha from my Madhya Pradesh travel series. It has 6 episodes in total. In the first 3 episodes, we explored the monuments of Gwalior. The 4th episode was about the temples of Morena district. And the 5th and the 6th episode would be all about Orchha. So do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are one of the first ones to watch the video. Till then, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Tell me what are the places in India you'd like for me to explore next. And make sure you've watched all the 4 previous episodes of the Madhya Pradesh travel series. Namaste and have a good day.